Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem the codes in Starpets in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on Starpets official website. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page, simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. And here the third last option would be of promo codes. You can also directly search for it by using the Starpets promo code in the search bar, and then you will find the first link from Starpets, which is going to redirect you on this particular promo code activation page. Now over here, you just have to simply provide the promo code that you have available. Then simply click on the option of activate promo code button in the bottom. So if the code is active, it will be redeemed, but if the code doesn't exist or if it is expired, you will be shown this particular red mark over here, and it will say that the promo code is expired or it doesn't exist. So in order to get the new promo codes, the available promo codes, you can just simply follow their socials like their Instagram, Telegram, their YouTube and the Discord channels, and there you can find the latest working promo codes. So that's how you can redeem the codes in Starpets. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.